Good evening YouTube, this is a walkthrough from Playa Bossa in 2025. It is the 5th of February and I'm passing the Hard Rock Hotel, which is in its last year of business, I heard. So I don't know what it's going to change to, but it's going to change names. And also to the right of me here is Sublimotion, one of the most expensive restaurants in the world. It only seats around 12 to 13 people or something. I can't afford to go in there, so I don't know. But yeah, it's an incredible experience. If you check it out, Sublimotion, you'll see for yourself the sort of videos. So we're going to make our way into Playa Bossa now. I'm just on the back street, as mentioned before, behind the Hard Rock Hotel. Move into what is now the new Ibiza Gallery, and you can see it's going to be a lavish sort of, what's it called, shopping centre. So yeah, Playa Bossa has changed dramatically in the last couple of years. Even the old buildings over here are looking a bit lavish. It's only covered. But yeah, Ibiza Gallery, you would imagine, will open in 2025. So probably May. Seems like it's been going on forever, the construction. But you can see there's still a lot of work to be going down. I'm going to guess that's going to be your sort of Gucci's and Prada, like what is in Marina Botafogo. So I'm just walking here. So yeah, for reference, that is the new shopping mall, and it's next to what was the Ushuaïa Tower. That is going to be renamed the Unexpected Hotel. Gordon Ramsay's opening a restaurant there, Hell's Kitchen. That was announced last week. Well, let me know what you think about that. Yeah, it's mad to think. You remember when that used to be a five-a-side football pitch and paddle court, and you could go in and get a beer for like €2.50. Obviously the brand in here is Universe, because we are outside Ushuaïa and high. All the club announcements are coming thick and fast. There's not much happening in Playa Bossa ever in the winter, so don't expect to see anybody, or probably don't expect to see anything opened. I am starving though. But yeah, that's High Club, which you'll all remember from the Space days. And across the road is Ushuaïa, for those who are new. That's the home of David Guetta, Calvin Harris, Martin Garrix, and Son of Saturday. And you'd imagine they'll probably have a similar lineup with a couple of changes here and there. We'll take a little walk down passing the car park here. Obviously you have the little supermarkets and bars and restaurants over this side. Nothing that really stands out to me in terms of memories on that side of the street. We're coming up to Dunes, which is a nice bar. It's owned by the Nassau Beach Club group. It's got like American style sort of food. That's it over there. Oh, there's a new KFC. Oh, exciting. Exciting. KFC and Pizza Hut. We will go down to the beach as we get to where Bora Bora was, which is now Playa Soleil. I'm really shit at pronouncing things, by the way. Mr. Black Coffee here on the billboard. Probably be back at High on a Saturday, you would imagine, but again, that isn't announced. And then we'll cross over here. I've got my jacket with me because I took the motorbike today. It was a little bit nippy. I had to go to Amnesia to announce do not sleep. Across the road there obviously is Tantra. Tantra's pretty famous, it's got a bit of history. It recently was refurbed and done up a lot. Hemp me Ibiza. Marco, shout out to Marco. Great if you're looking for your CBD and things like that. Special thank you to anyone who purchased a ticket for the raffle to win a holiday in Ibiza. That is raffled on the 9th of February. So if you're watching this video between now and the 9th of February, click the ticket link in the comments and treat yourself to a raffle ticket. All money kind of goes towards funding these YouTube channel. Across the road is Mama behind that van. It's a really good place for affordable food. They do a good pasta, and then we got a steak and shake. Ooh. So if it's been a while since you've been in Ibiza, you probably know where I'm going now. This is where Bora Bora used to be. We'll take a little gallop onto the beach. So in the last video I struggled with so many names, so because I've been here that long, it's hard to remember. You know, obviously this was Bora Bora, the doors used to be here. Now it's Playa Soleil. I can never pronounce that, apologise. This is Zazu. Again, I haven't actually had a chance to go here. This was the Delano many years ago. I feel a lot of the beach clubs are that kind of Bali style. The beach is absolutely beautiful today. Wow. God, I had some memories here. I'm sure you all do. Remember the jet apartments in Bora Bora, back when people used to just get a carry out alcohol and just drink here. Music was free. I think it's free in here as well, and they obviously do some huge DJs. Wow, so many memories. More so down this way. I used to come here every Sunday religiously before We Love Space. Bag of drinks, no pressure, enjoy the drinks and then head over to Space. Yeah, it's changed a lot, but that's just life. Things change. There's a plane for old time's sake. Sorry, I'm lugging this jacket about today. The only thing open in Playa and Bossa, La Serena. Well, there's a big dumper of dirt. I always find it so mad when I'm making these videos just to think how many hundreds of thousands, if not millions, pass through these parts of the world, and then it's just me. Here we are. Does anyone know? There's Murphy's! I always love going into Murphy's. Never come out of it sober though, thanks to Alex and the guys. Murphy's still there. Still going strong. They got the club downstairs as well, which is good for pre-drinking and that if you're going to the clubs. Coming up to the famous Jet Apartments, guys. I just remember how good that used to be on a Sunday. There we go. You can see the billboards dominate. Now the billboards are all the old billboards from last year. Defected is no longer at Ushuaïa. It moved to Pasha on Thursdays. Definitely not going the speed limit there, was he? That's a great restaurant just behind me there. Exotico it's called. I've actually featured it in a few vlogs. It's the guys from Murphy's Irish Bar that have it. So they always obviously look after me when I come to Playa and Bossa. Usually on a Saturday I like to come and go to Ants at Ushuaïa. Then you got, by the way, if you've got kids, that has a bowling alley over there. It's a dead giveaway on the name, isn't it? American Diner Bowling. I generally didn't know that was the name of it. No, what's it called? Oh, Friend's Kitchen. So we're coming up to the hotel. I stayed in this hotel, but I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Thing with Vibra Group, they changed all the names. De Algarve, there it is. I'll take one walk down to the beach on this side because we are coming to the end of the Playa and Bossa strip. Then we're entering into Figueretas, which is basically a lot of construction, but I like to cover that another day. I don't really feel like walking all the way down there. The reason I'm going to go down this way was because on the beach there's a few things opened, and the last time I done this video last year, Diario de Ibiza, which is the biggest newspaper in Ibiza, wrote an article about a British YouTuber, may I add, that was making videos, saying basically, I think along the lines of showing how Dead played him. They put a spin on it as if I'd done something wrong. I got a lot of nasty abuse from people on the island for that. No reason really, but so we'll go down and see if there's anything opened on this front. That's been Playa and Bossa so far. Oh, we take it for granted living here. Got all the gym bros over there in Nirvana. Come to think of it, I need to become a gym bro. Belly's getting the best of me. O Beach 2025. Can you imagine me with my top off in the vlogs? That's a goal there. Tops off by June. You don't want to see this body. I wonder, does that guy know that his conversation's just been broadcast all over YouTube? Well, it's a beautiful day. I shouldn't be wearing this jacket. It was just annoying me carrying it. Anyway, that was a quick trip around Playa and Bossa in the winter. Yesterday's video got a lot of nice comments, so I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to walk back towards Playa and Bossa there's not a great deal happening. There's not really much else up there. There's just a lot of construction on the other side of the road, which I'll maybe do a separate video. But for now guys, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. If not, see you again soon.